Hey guys, Mike here. Today I'm doing a review of Rogaine because I am going bald. I'm only 37 and I'm losing all my hair. So I'm gonna try Rogaine. And here, go ahead and zoom in. Zoom in. The box says it takes 3 months to notice difference. So I'll update the video once a month and see if we see any difference. Gotta lock Isaiah out. Ah! I'm doing a video, sorry. Anyway, so we're gonna try this right now. I've already been using it for a few days, but now we're gonna do a video on it, and I'll let you guys know. Once a month, we'll update it.
How many bottles do you have?
Did you already see the bulb?
Yes.
I'm sure you guys have seen it before, but I'm losing like a lot of hair.
And then how many bottles are
There's
in?
3. It's a 3-month supply. Here comes the madman.
I can open the front door.
And I left it open. Okay. It says use it only twice a day and that 3 months. And I'll show you a little picture on the box.
Okay.
Say hi, Isaiah.
Why do you shut the door?
Because you're loud.
No.
Look, we're sharing this product. It's called Rogaine. So Daddy's hair
For bald daddies. And then just rub it in. Rub it in. Tell Susie, I'll just get surgery for plugs. Oh, don't go on my eyebrows and give me bushier eyebrows.
Okay, so we're gonna follow up again after. Should we do?
We could do a month and see if there's any difference or if we notice.
Okay.
Mommy.
Yes, Isaiah.
I want cheese balls.
But zoom in on the bulb. Zoom in on the bulb.
Isaiah, I'm trying to record Daddy.
And there it is. So we will see. My dad was bald pretty early.
Wow,
And
Daddy.
in his pictures when he was young, he was bald.
Bald, Daddy. Bald.
Okay. Bye, guys. Thank you.